Hi, my name's David Ballard Geddis Jr. I'd like to talk a little bit more about the water and resource and how we can go about hopefully re-navigating and changing the way that we do things in order to combat future problems that we may see reasonably in the future. One of these issues I'd like to talk about has to do with our toiletries. We already know that we frequently clean up after our dogs in such a fashion to be polite to the neighbors. And we already, for the most part, are thinking about recycling cardboards and plastics and bottles and the aluminum cans are all part of the recycling trend that we're focusing on. And in my opinion, I think these recycling bins should be conveniently located throughout every neighborhood within walking distance, if you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to come up with other ways of how to conserve our water and hopefully not contaminate our water supply as we have been, primarily through our plumbing process. One idea that I would come up with possibly would be a dry toilet. And an example of that would be something that you'd see commonly at a nursing home. Maybe we could invent some sort of a toilet which would, in order to eliminate odors, would refrigerate our byproducts. And along with our byproducts, we could, and our dogs, we could throw away, our soils, just using candy bars. That's make it look like a toilet, but this would be one way we could eliminate contaminating our water supply. And I believe that if we continue to soil our water supply, as population grows and our resources are depleted, we're going to run into some complications. And as we clean up after our dogs, I don't see any reason why we couldn't use a similar technique to change the way our toiletries are, the behavior of our toiletries are conducted. So that might be one way of diplomacy we could possibly table for discussion on this issue. I do believe that door-to-door garbage pickup probably should somehow evolve into a neighborhood recycling project. So I just thought I'd throw that out there for concern. Thanks.